I have played around with some Zuii organic makeup today, some of which I've used before, a lot of which is very new to me, new to the brand, and I've never used before, so I kind of do a little bit of a first impression as I go along. I really enjoyed today's video because I did get to layer a lot of skin products. You all know I love focusing on the skin, glowing sort of products, anything that makes me glow I'm obsessed with. So I got to have some fun today with some base products to achieve this look. You all know I'm always going to go natural with the makeup looks, so I really hope you enjoy today's video. I'd love to hear from you down below if you've tried any of the Zuii products and what you thought of them, but otherwise I hope you enjoy the video and I'm going to jump straight into it. So I've got a couple of packs here. This is the Vegan Beauty Set. This one has a lip and cheek cream, a mascara and a primer, so all of this is obviously must be vegan. So I'm going to start out with the primer from this kit. If you don't know much about Zuii, their focus is very much flower power. So I think their slogan is like wear flowers on your face. They use a lot of plant-based ingredients. So they are certified organic, cruelty-free, super clean as well. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. So I think I'm just going to focus this everywhere. I always do that. I think I'm just going to focus this here and then it ends up all over my face. Who else can relate to that? Just using a flat, I don't know what brand of brush this is, but it's just like a flat foundation brush. Just to lightly buff that in. The only things that I don't have from Zuii today is brow products, so I've just put some brow gel in and a powder, but that's cool. We can work with that. Ooh, it's very light but very hydrating. So it feels really nice on the skin and it doesn't look too oily and it hasn't made me red. Some primers do irritate me a little bit and make me red for some reason, so far so good for that, and it's not too strong either. I have used some Zuii products before and they've been quite overpowering with their smell. This one is quite nice. I also have this Make Me Glow Contour Highlight Kit, and this contains Diamond Sparkle Blush, Flora Luminiser Cream and Contour Bronzer. I'm going to go in with the Luminiser Cream underneath the foundation because I really want to work on layering some of these products and really getting my skin to look great. I didn't know what word to use there. I want my skin to look good. I love their packaging too. They've got the cutest little bottles, and I like a lot of their bottles are pump, so they're easy to keep clean, and they've also got little caps on them, so they're good for travel. Oh, okay. It's actually colored. I thought it was going to be like a highlighter, but it's not. It's actually colored. Okay, that kind of, just wondering, I'm just rubbing it in just to see what happens. Kind of rubs in to nothing, but it looks kind of dewy, so maybe I will put it on the high points, but I might just use a really small amount. Oops, that's my version of a small amount, guys. Maybe I should be doing this with a sponge. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. I'm not sure. I don't know what's happening. It doesn't really leave much of a color, so this would be good on your body actually. Put some on my Cupid's bow. I think I'm just gonna put a little bit on my, like all over my cheeks. You know what, you could probably put this all over your face really, because it does kind of disappear. So if you wanted to add like more of a tint, tan, glow, if you've been fake tanning and your face is looking a little bit pale, this might be a good option. Maybe I'll just go around my forehead as well, just to give me a summer sort of tint. Anywhere that the sun would naturally hit your skin, I guess. Tell you what is not looking nice is my hair right now. I don't know what is going on. Moving on, I'm going to go in with this is a foundation that I already had. I haven't used it in a little while. so it was a good excuse to use it today. This is the Flora Liquid Foundation. They do have a new foundation since this one came out. I haven't had a chance to try it yet, so let me know down below if you've used the new foundation and what you think of that, because I think that'll be next on my list to get. This is in the color Natural Medium. This is a super lightweight foundation. I believe their new foundation is more full coverage. Now, I actually don't want to cover up too much of my face, and this is quite light coverage anyway, but I'm taking my Beauty Blender to apply that. I do want my skin to kind of show through a little bit. My skin looks so nice after using that primer and that, was it Luminiser? That luminizing cream. Like on no makeup days, I'd honestly be happy to just wear that. So I've just finished off the base with a little bit of powder just under my eyes and in my T-zone. I'll leave links down below to anything else that I use. I'm going in with the Zuii Organic Powder Contour Bronzer. This is in the color Jupiter. It's got a little mirror inside. That is a nice deep bronze, especially going into summer. I don't think I have a bronzer that deep, so just taking my Eri Perez Blush Bronze brush. Oh, that's nice. And take it along the hairline. Don't forget to push it right into your hairline up here. You don't want to be left with like a gap. Just taking any leftover down the neck. Just taking the powder brush that I used earlier for the translucent powder and just softening that edge. I am now going to layer a little bit of blush. I know I just applied powder, but I'm going to use my Beauty Blender to apply a very small amount of this. I love this packaging. It is adorable. It's like a little diamond. This is the Organic Flora Lip and Cheek Cream in Helene or Helene. It's got an E on the end. So that's what the color looks like before you kind of blend it in. So I'm just dipping my Beauty Blender into that, and I'm just going to go on the apples just to add a flush of color. Now I'm going in with the Diamond Sparkle Blush in Mango. This is more like a highlighter than a blush, I would say. So sparkly. Go in on all the usual suspects. Just all the high points. Look at that. I'm also going to put some on the center of my lid just to give my lids a nice glow. Oh my god, that's so pretty as an eyeshadow. Even on the inner corner, that would be beautiful. Just to finish off a look under the brow. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm going in with the Organic Flora Mascara. I used this years ago. I can't remember what it was like, so it's kind of like a first impression. Ooh, the brush is bigger than I thought it would be because the tube is quite slim. It's quite a thick mascara and brush. It's nice and fluffy to apply, even though the brush and the formula felt quite thick. It's not clumping at all. It's really brushing the lashes through. Does anyone else do ugly faces when they apply mascara? Or is it just me? And does anyone else sneeze as soon as they've applied mascara and just ruin their whole makeup? Let me know. Let me know in those comments. Oh, it's really bright in here now. I'll just tone that down for you. Oh, I like that. That's a very natural sort of mascara. Okay, the last product that I have is a Luxe lipstick. This is in the color Charm. Ooh, I love the packaging. It actually feels really heavy, like it's really good quality. And I think it might be, yeah, it's got a magnetic. Cool. So this is kind of like a deep pink. I don't want to go in too hard with this because I'm really liking the focus being on my skin and just quite natural. What's new? But I'm going to just tap this on my lips. Okay guys, so this is my finished look using all Zuii organic makeup. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I really loved trying those products and layering them and just seeing how they all work together. I love the glow, the dew. I really enjoyed using every single product, to be honest. There wasn't anything there that I wouldn't recommend. I love how my skin turned out. As per usual, it is a natural look, which you know I'm always going to do. As always, please leave me some comments down below with any requests, suggestions on trials or makeup looks that you would like me to do next. Thank you so much for watching and for your support, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye! Come on, big chicken claws. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a one brand makeup look for you. I am focusing on the Zuii Organic Makeup. Rude!